One of the best ways to immerse yourself in a culture is through its food. To kick things off, we start with a revitalising cup of cinnamon tea. The host introduces us to various ingredients and takes me on a tour of their amazing homegrown spice garden. With that awesome garden behind us, we head towards the cooking area, ready to dive into the world of Sri Lankan cuisine. First up, we're diving into the world of fish cutlets, a beloved street food made with tender white fish, potatoes and a medley of aromatic spices.
Wow!
Now I'm taking on the challenge of making authentic coconut roti. Trust me, it's not as easy as it looks, but oh boy is it fun. Before you know it, we're cooking up an array of curries and side dishes, including my personal favourite, beetroot curry. I'm introduced to ingredients I've never encountered before, expanding my culinary knowledge. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, tasting time. Just look at this spread, it's mouth-wateringly delicious.
Yum.
Great food, great people and a great culture. This class is a joyful journey through the heart of Sri Lanka.